Dr. Thomas Bloch serves as Senior Product Manager for the Magnetic and Environmental Sensors portfolio. This means he is responsible for the strategic direction of two key product groups. Environmental Sensors. BME series, the artificial nose. A particular highlight of his work is the BME 680 and its successors, such as the BME 688. The BME 680 was the world's first 4-in-1 sensor to measure gas, barometric pressure, temperature, and humidity in a single component. Application. These sensors are used to detect bad air, VOCs, volatile organic compounds, in indoor spaces, provide early detection of forest fires, or control ventilation in smart homes. Magnetic sensors. These are often compass sensors, magnetometers, used in smartphones, wearables, such as smartwatches, or drones to determine orientation and improve navigation. 2. Notable awards and achievements. His work is recognized within the professional community. A particularly well-documented success is AMA Innovation Award 2018, together with two colleagues, Dr. Richard Fix and Dr. Herbert Verhoeven, he won this renowned industry award for the development of the aforementioned BME 680. The jury particularly praised the miniaturization of a chemical gas sensor, which is considered technically very challenging. 3. Academic and professional background. His background explains the strong materials expertise required for MEMS sensors, microelectromechanical systems. Education. He is a chemist. He earned his diploma at the University of Duisburg and subsequently received his doctorate in solid-state chemistry at the University of Mainz. Research. Before his time at Bosch, he worked as a postdoctoral fellow at the famous IBM Almaden Research Center in San Jose, California, Silicon Valley. This research center is known for basic research in storage technologies and materials science. Bosch. He has been with the company for over 12 years, evolving from a technical expert into strategic product management. 4. Public appearances. He regularly appears as an expert at specialist conferences to present the latest sensor trends. For example, he spoke at Sensors Converge 2022 about the future of MEMS environmental sensors and how these devices are becoming increasingly intelligent, e.g., through AI analysis directly on the sensor chip. In summary, Dr. Thomas Bloch is not just a manager, but a PhD materials scientist with a Silicon Valley background who was instrumental in enabling smartphones and wearables to measure air quality today.
Dr. Thomas Bloch is an inventor and is involved in several patent families, at least 5 to 10 plus significant entries. His inventions exactly reflect his two major career stages. 1. Bosch Sensortec era, current/Reutlingen. This is where his newer patents are found, focusing on the application and data processing of sensors. Here, he often protects not just the chip itself, but algorithms that make the chip intelligent. Example, method for determining an actuation of a door or a window, filed 2023, published 2025. In this case, a pressure sensor in the room, like the BMP-BME, uses tiny air pressure changes to detect whether a door has been opened, entirely without contact on the door itself. Example, method for data reduction of sensor data information. U.S. Patent 10,156,992, granted 2018. This is crucial for wearables to save battery and memory by having the sensor send only relevant events rather than all raw data. 2. IBM Research Era, former/Silicon Valley. Patents from his time as a postdoc at IBM stem from the fields of solid-state physics and storage technology. Example, magnetoresistance sensor with antiferromagnetic exchange-coupled structure. U.S. Patent 7,339,769, granted 2008. This refers to read heads for hard drives or MRAM memory and aligns with his background in solid-state chemistry. Summary. He holds patents in two very different worlds. High-tech hardware fundamentals, IBM time. How do you build magnetic layers? Smart sensor applications, Bosch time. How do we use air pressure data for smart homes?